In Spain, the government is to propose a somewhat different set of Christmas and New Year celebrations. According to draft proposals being circulated in the Spanish media, authorities plan to limit gatherings to 6 people in total. They're expected to recommend that office gatherings and similar celebrations in the run-up to the holidays should be held on restaurant terraces or outside. Well, our reporter Jaime Velázquez is in the capital, Madrid. He says a high-level meeting should provide some clarity today on what the plans are going forward.
Yeah, well, it's very likely that each region will have their own restrictions. It makes some sense because transmission rates are different across regions in Spain. But today, the central government is meeting with the different regional governments in order to harmonize some of the measures. So far, the central government is just making some recommendations, and some sources admit that some of them respond more to sociological criteria rather than epidemiological criteria. For example, the limitation to a maximum of 6 people in family gatherings is aiming at restricting those gatherings to the closest family. It is not clear yet if there will be also some other restrictions, for example, to mobility. People will be able to move from one region to another to meet the family, and probably that will not happen until the 20th of September. But each region is going to present their own plans for Christmas. For example, here in Puerta del Sol, thousands of people gather every year to say goodbye to to welcome the new year, and it's not clear yet what is going to happen here. They just say observe the current social distancing rules.
We know as well, Jaime, that a widespread vaccination plan is being prepared. Tell us what the details are.
Well, the government has presented this plan. We know the first phase of this plan is going to happen from January to March, and it will 5% of the population will be vaccinated. Basically, those people working or living in care homes, health workers, and also highly dependent patients. Later in June, another wave of vaccination will come, but it is still early. We don't know exactly how is this going to play out, which will be the new groups of population that will be vaccinated. We know 18 different groups that will be on this vaccination roll for the coming months until the end of half of the year, until the end of September, probably.